Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embracing the cozy, laid-back vibe of boho winter decor. If you love a blend of earthy textures, rich colors, and a little bit of bohemian flair, then you're going to love these ideas. Let's get started and transform your space into a boho winter wonderland. Boho Winter Decor is all about warmth and comfort with a natural touch. Start by incorporating earthy tones like deep browns, terracotta, mustard yellow, and soft oranges. These colors not only give off a cozy vibe, but also bring warmth to the cooler months. Add woven throw blankets, plush cushions, and natural wooden furniture to create a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for winter. A signature element of boho decor is layering, and winter is the perfect time to embrace this cozy trend. Think textured throws, knitted blankets, and a mix of patterned cushions. The key is to mix textures, velvet, knit, faux fur, to create a warm, inviting space that feels like a retreat from the cold. Boho decor always embraces natural elements, and winter is no exception. Incorporate greenery like ferns or succulents in beautiful terracotta pots or woven baskets. You can even bring in branches or twigs to give your space an earthy, woodland vibe. A stone or wood fireplace can be the perfect focal point to complete the look and bring warmth into the room. Lighting plays a huge role in creating that magical boho winter atmosphere. Use candles in various sizes, tucked into glass holders, or hanging lanterns to add a soft, flickering glow. String lights, especially those with a warm golden hue, can be draped across shelves, windows, or walls to add just the right touch of warmth and ambiance. Bring your boho winter decor to the walls with macrame hangings, woven tapestries, and nature-inspired art. Hang a large macrame piece above your couch or a set of frame prints featuring winter landscapes. This not only adds visual interest, but also creates a sense of serenity and calm, perfect for those chilly winter days. To add a little boho magic to your winter decor, try mixing in some metallic accents like brass or gold. Think brass candle holders, vintage lanterns, or a beautiful ceramic vase. Pair these metallics with earthy elements like stones, shells, or woven baskets for a perfect boho balance. Don't forget the bedroom. Boho winter bedding is all about comfort and style. Layer your bed with a boho duvet, soft wool throws, and a mix of colorful pillows. Go for warm tones and textures to keep things cozy. And don't forget to add a few natural touches, like a woven throw or a plant by the bed for that final boho touch. And there you have it. These boho winter decor ideas will help you transform your home into a cozy, stylish sanctuary for the season. Remember, it's all about layering textures, adding natural elements, and creating a warm, welcoming space. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite winter decor tips in the comments below. Stay cozy and happy decorating.